In this video, we'll walk you through the complete installation process of Linaro Forge on a typical Linux system. Before we begin, you'll need three things. First, a Linux system. Note that Linaro Forge supports all major Linux distributions such as Red Hat, Ubuntu, and SUSE. Second, you'll need to download the Linaro Forge installation package from the Linaro website. And finally, make sure you have your license file. Have that file handy. We'll need it during the installation. Open up a terminal and navigate to the directory where you downloaded the Forge package. Use the ls command to verify the file is there. Now let's unpack the Forge installation files. Once that's done, you'll see a new directory has been created. Inside this directory is the installer script, usually called textinstall.sh. Let's run it to launch the command line installer. Press enter to read the license agreement. You can scroll through this agreement. Once you reach the end, you have the option to agree to the terms of the license. Following on from the license agreement, you need to choose an installation directory. This should be a location accessible to all users who need Linaro Forge. A common choice is to install Forge in the opt directory or a shared directory within user local. For this demo, I'll install it in the default installation directory. The installer will now install Linaro Forge. This might take a minute. Finally, you will need to copy your license file into the installation directory. For convenience, you can set the path to the Forge installation bin directory. To permanently set, add the command to your bash rc file. And that's it. The installation is complete. Now for the moment of truth. Let's verify the installation. Simply type forge ---- version. If your environment is set up correctly, you should see the version information for your Linaro Forge installation printed on the terminal. And there you have it. You've successfully installed Linaro Forge on your Linux system. You're now ready to start debugging and profiling your applications. Thank you for watching.
With the current map file, there is also CPU vectorized floating point operations occur, as a compiler flag was enabled to vectorize the code. This example demonstrates how the map_div feature can be used to compare the metrics graph to help explain the reasoning behind performance gain. This completes the summary of the map_div feature. Please feel free to download Linaro Forge 25.0 to try out this feature. Linaro